And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
In Colorado Springs right now, it's cold, but it looks pretty dry out there. 13 degrees, and it feels like 3 thanks to that north wind. We did have a burst of snow earlier today, but it was during the daylight hours, and that made all the difference. It pretty much just melted in contact with the ground, but with the evening snow showers in Pueblo, we have a nice dusting on the sidewalk thanks to the cold air settling in. It's 18 in Pueblo right now. Now, the snow we're seeing right now is from a cold front that blew through this morning, giving us very blustery northerly winds throughout the daytime. We still see those snow showers along Highway 50, light to moderate at times, and again, a quick dusting on the ground. You're probably not going to get more than an inch from this. Areas further south towards Huerfano County, Los Animas County, that's where we could actually pick up a couple inches, as that's where the snow will be headed for the rest of this evening. But a quick moving storm. We're done with the snow by 8-9 o'clock, and then we're in for a clear and very cold night ahead. So in terms of snow amounts, it's our wet mountains, our Spanish Peaks region that's going to get a couple of inches, 1 to 3 for Rye, Westcliff, La Veta, about the 3 to 6 inch range. And you'll see snow for a couple more hours here. For the rest of us, it's either a dusting or pretty much less than an inch. So for temperatures tonight, single digits for just about everyone, or negative values. That really cold air will be towards our mountain valleys, down to -20 Alamosa, 5 and 4 for the Springs and Pueblo. And tomorrow we're actually going to see a decent warm up. We're going to see temperatures above freezing. That's nice. 30s, even low 40s for the plains. Still cold in the mountains. The reason why we see a nice rebound in our temperatures tomorrow is because we're going to have a westerly wind. Today we had that cold north wind. Tomorrow it's blowing out of the west. It'll gust still around 30 to 40 miles per hour like we had today, but that westerly component downslopes it off the mountains. We're drier and we're sunnier. But enjoy Friday, because our second push of cold air arrives this weekend, and this is going to be the colder air mass, that Arctic blast we've been watching pretty much all week long. We gave you the first alert on this Arctic air pushing in, and by Sunday our highs are going to be in the single digits in the plains. This is going to be a really dense and shallow air mass, so it can't make it over the mountains, and so there will still be in the 30s. And it will be comfortable. So that cold dense air, it takes over the eastern plains of Colorado up to I-25. We have a wind chill watch in place from Saturday to Tuesday. So if this is upgraded to a wind chill warning, that's where we'll have those wind chill values as low as -30, and you could get frostbite in 30 minutes or less. So it's very important to bundle up accordingly when the weather gets this cold. You want warm layers on the inside, a waterproof layer on the outside, because we will have a few flakes flying with that weekend storm. You want several layers to help insulate the air and keep you warm. Don't forget about your hands and your feet and your head. So take this seriously. It's going to be the coldest air we've seen all season. Our wind chill values will be worst in the morning, where we are going to be into the negative teens, -20s. And then looking ahead, finally some relief by next Wednesday. We're back to seasonable 40s. For Pueblo, you're also going to see this major cold front over the weekend, a high of 8 on Sunday. Light snow showers possible for us, but it's going to be so cold that the air can't hold very much moisture, so very light snow accumulations. Very cold in Canyon City, teens over the weekend and Monday. And for Woodland Park, snow showers over the weekend, teens when we get that Arctic air mass coming in.